Hi guys, my name is Jenny Capper and I am an author for mental health for the digital generation here on HealthyPlace. Today I'm going to be talking about anxiety and how it can set you back and how you can get back on track. One of the things that I really struggle with is anxiety coming on in the worst situations. When I really need to get things done, when I have a long to-do list, and sometimes I get so overwhelmed, anxiety just overpowers me and I don't end up getting anything done. And then my to-do list gets longer and longer and it just feels like it's never going to end and that I'm basically not going to be able to do it. So what I try and do is break it down into little chunks. I'll say I'm going to do this task and I'll focus solely on that task until I finish it. Not only does that give you a check on your to-do list, but it also gives you a sense of accomplishment. Because when you have that sense of accomplishment and you feel like you've done something, it gives you confidence to keep going with that to-do list. So that's one of the strategies that I've used to tackle a to-do list that seems way, way too long, that is often caused by anxiety. Once again, my name is Jenny Capper, and I am an author for mental health for the digital generation here on HealthyPlace. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.